I have these ads that I put out.
What's up, y'all? Why in the world don't you own an apartment building with me?
And on there, I have all these different comments of not possible. You'll work so hard, and then they do not this. And I screenshotted them the other day. Did I show you this?
No.
Screenshotted a bunch of them.
I've seen
on
them,
that same week that all these ads are going out and all these comments of it's not possible, you can't do it. These guys full of shit.
It's the same one as corporate greed. Corporate greed. You're taking money.
That's exactly
community
it.
greed. Yeah.
And it also talked about, of course, you can buy an apartment because you're white. Literally multiple comments there. That same week was the last week of the year of 2022. This is the same week.
Yeah.
How many deals in the network did we have closed in the last week of 2022?
6, wasn't it?
7. 7 different deals from X number of students. Can't remember the exact number of students. That was just in the last week of the year.
Crazy.
And so the same time that I'm getting all these comments are the same times that in our private Facebook page is, this is the deal that so I screenshotted this. This is the deal that I just did. This is how many units I have now. This is how much our net worth is here. This is how much we made in acquisition fees. This is how much my life has changed. So do you believe or not? Because people will share shit with you all the time, but you actually have to believe that the shit they're sharing is something that you can do. And if you don't, that's on you.